You're coming out that hole.
Good morning, YouTube. It is Wednesday, April 8th. Checking out the news today. We have the 10-year bond auction at 10 o'clock for the US dollar. And then tomorrow we have some British pound interest rate decision, some more US dollar unemployment, some Canadian news, British pound GDP later that day. And then Friday we have some Canadian and US dollar news. Let's take a look at the charts. Let's start with one of our limit orders that finally got triggered. So we are finally in this EUROCAD position right here. So we've had this limit order since probably back last week. We had it placed. Looks like we got triggered, and we are now finally in a sell position at 1.48. Taking a look at the other charts today. This AUDCAD trade was from yesterday. Again, similar to the EUROCAD trade, we got triggered on the sell limit up here, ended up coming down due to the Australian dollar interest rate decision. Shot the price down, and we ended up hitting the take profit. We are not looking to trade AUDCHF. I don't think we're looking to enter any yen pairs today. We could potentially be looking for a buy on AUDNZD. Unclear yet. We will leave him on the watch list and maybe scope out the strategy in a bit, but for now we'll continue on with the pairs. No AUDUSD trade here. We're already in a couple Swiss pair trades. We're still in GBPCHF and USDCHF, so not really looking to add any more Swiss pairs. EUROGBP, we have two positions or two limits. So this was the sell we took at the end of last week that ended up hitting the profit this week, and then we have two more limits, one at the high here, one at the low here. So we have our limit sell at the top, limit buy at the bottom. EURNZD, this actually would have been a good buy down here at this level. 1.78, what is that? 1.786 or 788? Looks to be 1.786. That probably would have been a good buy opportunity, one we did not take, but that's fine. Happens. The reason why is we have some bullish momentum here. We do have this nice support, and we did have a break of the high. We broke the high, we came back down to this level. I do think we ended up having a sell here, so we did end up taking a sell here, but we really only captured, I think, like 400 or 40 pips worth of the pullback. So really a very small point, and then we definitely could have had a buy down here that we just missed. We weren't thinking about it. All right, no Euro US. GCAD, very similar to ECAD. GCAD also has a limit sell up here, but the British pound is doing a little bit weaker than the euro today and yesterday, so this could still be triggered at some point, but it's for now just a limit order, limit sell at these previous tops here. Same thing, nice bullish move down, break into a major low, and we're selling sort of that retracement back up to that significant previous high. GBPCHF. These are the three positions that we were in. We'll go to the 15 minutes. So we are still in this first buy. We are still in this second buy. This third buy, we ended up hitting profit here. Price is starting to come back down. So we're still holding out on these first two positions. GBPNZD. Similar to EURNZD, we probably could have had a buy when price came down to that line, but we did not anticipate it. And now that price has come down a second time here, we're not really looking to get into a buy. So we are holding at the level. I need to drink some tea. Alright, so if we're skipping these guys, it just means that just off initial glance there doesn't seem to be much there. USDCHF, we are still in this first position and second position. This one is a limit order that's placed just in case price does come down. We are looking to get into a third position here. Okay, let's check everything else on the 1 minute now. Again, a little too much bearish momentum, not enough back and forth structure, so we're just gonna stay out of that guy. Gotta be honest, not seeing a whole lot here on the 1 minute, which is fine. It's the 1 minute, doesn't always need to be something visible. I'll give an example of what I'm kind of looking for. So I know the general consensus is the trend is your friend and you should be trading the trend. I'm a huge fan of sideways markets. I like trading them. I think they're a bit more predictable to trade reversals than trade trend continuations. And so typically what I want is I want significant break to the upside, significant break to the downside, and then I want to sort of capitalize on a reversal when price comes back. So we had this break to the upside, so that was a nice break to the upside, and then coming down we had this nice break to the downside, and had we come back all the way up and broken the top side, another sell would have been warranted. Another example of this I think was GBPNZD when we were looking at it. No, GCAD. So we have a lot of sideways price action here. We have this high, this higher low, this higher high, and then we break this low and come down to this level here. I could consider a buy down here. Potentially, but that's sort of the rough idea of what strategy I'm trying to trade. Anyways, let's take a quick look at indices in gold. Gold also seems like it's just kind of going sideways today. Not a whole lot of trend direction. Indices look like they're dropping pretty heavily already. Some of them at least. Well before market opens. So we'll see how that plans out for the rest of the day. Yeah, we'll leave this. We'll leave this position now. And we'll just kind of leave this position open to view. Turn the mic off, turn the video capture off, and load back up when maybe when we hit the 30-minute mark. All right. I put the right one on. Lame. Okay. I think we're gonna call it here today. EuroCAD's slowly dropping in our favor. It might come back. Honestly, it doesn't really matter whether it dumps right away or not. We're in the position. Ugh. With the aim of getting just a 30 pip quick correction. So you can see here, had a nice rejection, aiming for 30 pips on the rejection from these highs. Not a terribly large amount. I think you could even still get into a position now. Like, I think if it corrects, it'll correct beyond the 30 pips, but I'm not trying to be greedy with these trades. And yeah, the only other limit orders we got, we have this EURGBP limit order up here. We have this GCAD limit order up top. We do not actually have this position here of this. We are not actually in this buy. I don't really see myself wanting to get into that kind of position there. But yeah, we have this GCAD cell, EUROG cell. We're in this EUROCAD cell. Part of me wants to get into an AUDNZD buy. There's just not a lot of good structural levels up here to get into a buy. This one was probably the best opportunity down here for a quick scalp up, but that's fine, we missed it. That's it. Alright, I'm gonna end the stream here, and we'll pick it up again tomorrow. Have a good one, traders.